a nice, big, spacious looking living room. On our right is the kitchenette area, right? So this is the beautiful looking master bedroom that has place. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Falak and today we are here at Park Cubics by Sattva Developer, which is located at Devanahalli Circle, Devanahalli, North Bangalore. We are going to do this project sample flat tour. Well, regarding the project, we are going to know a lot in detail. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Well, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects the customers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. That means the best rate possible. Unlike other current listing platforms wherein if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers. And what's the result? You get a lot of calls. Well, let me tell you that Housey is one such real estate platform wherein the listing is done directly with the developer. So do not go here and there. Book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. And also for more videos on this location projects, click on the I button. And now let's go. So now talking about the project. So the Park Cubics by Sattva Developer is located at Devanahalli Circle, North Bangalore, and it is going to be constructed on 18.5 acres of land parcel, having 10 towers which are going to be divided into 3 blocks, and they will be having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium apartments. Well, now let's talk about the connectivity. So as this location is right on Devanahalli Circle, so Devanahalli bus stop is just 1 kilometer from this project. Airport is just 7 kilometers from this project. Tech parks are 7 kilometers from this project. Hospitals are there within a radius of just 3 kilometers. Devanahalli town is just 2 minutes from the project. And now let's talk about the amenities. So the project has 40 plus luxurious amenities with the likes of gymnasium, swimming pool, a terrace pool, clubhouse. Then you also have outdoor sports activities like the cricket practice net. You have a football field. You also have a basketball as well as game of chess and many more wonderful amenities. Let me also tell you that the project has a commercial block also right inside the project. So that's also really very great. And now without any delay, let's go inside and see how the sample flat is. So right now we are heading towards the 2 BHK apartment of the Cubics by Sattva Developer, which is located at Devanahalli Circle in North Bangalore, and it is of 1009 square feet super build up. So without any delay, let's go inside and see how the sample flat is. Let's go. So as we enter, this is the nice, big, spacious looking living room. As you can see here, there is a place for your showcase. Here there is a place for your dining area. This is the place for your seating area. So it's like quite a big living room. And let's look at the cherry on the cake with a beautiful view. This is the balcony. And as you can see, my hair are flowing, so you can just experience a nice breeze over here at any point of the day. It is noon right now, but a great breeze is what you can expect, and a beautiful view from here and a great balcony to have a leisure time. Now let's go ahead. So before we go ahead, I want you to see the passage area over here. Passage area makes the house look even more bigger and spacious. And now let's move ahead. On our right is the kitchenette area. Right now, due to some technical issues, the electricity is not there, but you can see a nice big spacious looking, like I can just move around over here. And a two-sided nice big spacious kitchenette area has been given over here. A place for your washing machine has been given. A small window has been given for your ventilation, and here also this small French sliding window has been given for your ventilation this side as well. So that's really very great, and you can just customize it as per your requirement. And now let's go ahead and see bedroom number 1, which is on my left. This is a nice looking bedroom number 1 that has place for your bed. Your wardrobe can also fit in over here, so that's really great. And here also French sliding windows have been given, so that's really very nice. And now let's go ahead. So on our right is the common washroom. Let's go and see the common washroom. This is a nice common washroom that's been given over here with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings, so that's really great. And now let's go to the master bedroom. But before that, do you know what does Housey actually do for you? Well, let me tell you that in Housey, you get to know the actual location tour. We also get to know the sample flat tours as well. We also give you the pros and cons of every project. Like why is this project good for you? Why is this project not good for you? Why you should invest in a particular project or not. And we also give you all-inclusive pricing, inclusive of EMI and down payment details, as well as we give you a 360 degrees virtual project tour. Wow, what can be better than this? And if after all of this, if you like the project, then in 3 simple clicks, you can just go and book your free site visit. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link mentioned in the description and book your free site visit right now. And let's go and see the master bedroom. So this is the beautiful looking master bedroom that has place for your bed, your wardrobe, nice big wardrobe you can make over here. So there's ample space over here as well. And look at this, there is the balcony in the master bedroom as well, and you can just see how the breeze is flowing. So you can just expect a great view and a great atmosphere, great climate over here. So yes, an equally big balcony has been given here in the master bedroom as well. So yes, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of the Cubics by Sattva Developer, which is located at Devanahalli Circle, Devanahalli, North Bangalore. How did you like it? Let us know in the comment section. Also, if you want to download the e-brochure of this project, you can just go and click on the link mentioned in the description. As well as if you need details about more other projects, you can just go and register yourself on housey.com. Well, also before going, we would like to ask you, what do you have to say about this builder? Have you purchased any properties from this builder earlier? What are your reviews? Positive as well as negative feedbacks are welcome for our customers as well. Let us know in the comment section. And before going, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to Housey for more details and more updates. I will meet you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye and take care.
So everyone, this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of residential project Park Cubics located in Devanahalli by Sattva Groups. If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.